Following presentation is a quick training video for Tollway PMs who will be using BlueBeam to review plan sets. Before you get started with the review, make sure you've watched the Getting Started with BlueBeam training video. This video and all these other training videos, as you know, will be on Project 16 on eBuilder under Consultant Information Videos. The Getting Started with BlueBeam video will show you how to install the proper tool chest and profiles within BlueBeam. That information can be found under the CAD folder. Once you have BlueBeam set up properly and you're ready for your review, you need to go to the DMR process within eBuilder. Click on the process that you intend to review. Then click on the Comments tab and scroll down and you will see some language from the GEC in regards to the BlueBeam session review and the schedule of the review. Please copy the session number and go to BlueBeam where you click Join and you can paste the session, and once you've clicked OK, you will be joining the review session. And this session is a full review for the Tollway reviewers and the GEC and the PMO. I have closed the session and now I want to show you another way to access your previous sessions. To the right here, these are previous sessions that you've created, and at the bottom are sessions that you've recently attended. You can join these simply by clicking on the session itself. Now that we're back within a session, you can see all the documents that need to be reviewed. To get started, you're going to have to make sure you have the correct tool chest installed. You should have already installed it, so we're going to go to the Manage Toolsets button here and be sure to click the tool set that you will be using. There are multiple tool sets for reviewers, whether you're drainage, environmental, materials, etc. I'm just going to use Tollway PM at this point. Click OK, and your tools are over here on the left. At this point in time, we have three options for tools. The first option is a cloud with a leader and text, and you just type in whatever text you need. So you highlight the area and you've provided your very descriptive text so it's clear to the DSC what your comment is. Places it in the PDF above, and a comment is placed below as well. The other tools are very similar. The second is just a leader with your text, and the third is simply a text box. This is how everything will look once you've added your comments. All of them will be within the PDF above as shown, and all of them will be tracked below. The page, the label, the subject who put the comment in, the comment itself. If you need to edit the comment, you can do it by double-clicking up above, or you can change it below. If you double-click, you can edit the comment below. It also shows the date, the time, and who placed it. Another item to note is when you've begun your review, you want to make sure you set your status. Over here to the right, you can click your status and you can click Reviewing, and when you've completed your review, please click Finished. Click Finished, and below under the attendees it shows statuses as well. As you can see here, this is a previous project that was reviewed. You have your attendees, the documents of the review, and a whole history of the review as well. Below within the markups, you can see the final product of all of the comments, the dispositions as well from the DSE. A couple other items that are important to know, just to navigate the files themselves, are your pages below. As you can see, just you're changing your pages, your panning button, select your magnification, your full zoom. If you're at full zoom, you can scroll in and out if you have a mouse that scrolls. And another nice thing, it's very beneficial to see multiple pages at once, especially if you have multiple monitors. The buttons here on the left are ways to split the screen view, so I can see multiple pages at once. If you have another monitor, you can grab this and drag it to your other monitor so you have two full pages. Um, if you want to do it this way, you can split horizontal and drop one to the bottom. This is very beneficial. I mean, if you've got large monitors, you can see 4, 6 pages at once if you've got multiple monitors. And one other item to note, when you've got multiple pages like this open, there's a button down to the right that's the sync button. If sync is turned on, every time you change a page, it changes them all at once. If it is not turned on, whatever box you have live at the moment, that's the page that will change, or that's the page that zooms in and out. When you have completed your review, all you need to do is make sure your status is changed to finish and click the Leave button.